Welcome to B2B Growth Kit. In the next few minutes, we'll set up your AI sales system so you can find, connect, and keep clients. First, the AI needs to understand you and your business. Fill the form manually or upload your company profile, presentation, or sales deck. Our AI will read your uploaded file, extract the key details, and pre-fill the answers to make onboarding smoother. You can always edit any answer to better match your product, service, and company. Better context means better replies, comments, and results. Next, our AI will understand your business from a growth expert's point of view, then ask a few questions to make the setup more accurate. These questions are based on best practices and intelligently tailored to your business context. You won't start from a blank page. The AI gives you 2 suggested answers, or you can write your own. Every business has its own voice, and every product comes with its own set of objections. Once the AI understands your context, you can review and refine the information before it creates your business profile. Now the system builds your ICP, analyzes your market and competitors, then creates your launch blueprint, growth roadmap, outreach playbook, and social content ideas. Welcome to your dashboard. Here you can review your plan, track your AI credits, and see how many replies and comments you've generated. You can also review your recent activity, get a quick glance at your content arsenal, and see recommended hashtags for your social posts. The first tool is Find. Use it to discover your next client, understand them better, and know the right way to start the conversation. To use Find, start by installing the Chrome extension. At the top of the Find page, you'll see the Chrome Web Store link. Once installed, pin Find to your browser. Open it and you'll see your account is already connected and synced. Here you'll see your ICP map, including the industries, company sizes, and locations your business should focus on. Below that, you'll find 3 suggested personas: the economic buyer, the internal champion, and the end user. For each persona, you'll get a full breakdown: messaging angle, responsibilities, pain points, expected objections, goals, and best outreach channels. You're still the expert on your business. Review, edit, and adjust anything you need. Every part is fully flexible. Now let's capture your first prospect. Beside each persona, you'll find a small blue button that takes you directly to a matching LinkedIn search. B2B Growth Kit applies the search for you, helping you find the right prospects in one click. You can always refine the filters yourself. Beside each LinkedIn result, the Find extension adds a +CRM button. Click it, and the system starts researching that prospect for you. The prospect is now added to your account. Open your CRM, find them under the New column, and click the card to see more details. In Deep Insights, you'll find the lead score and key details that usually take much longer to research manually. You'll also find buying signals, company details, outreach hooks, and ready-to-use messages you can review and send. Every message is built around the actual prospect, not just a name swap. It uses their profile, their company, and your business context to make the outreach more relevant. Next is Connect, the tool that helps you reply faster and communicate clearly with your prospect after the conversation starts. Just like Find, start by installing the Connect browser extension from the Chrome Web Store. After installing it, pin it to your browser toolbar. Refresh your LinkedIn Messages page, and you'll see the Connect button added inside the message area. Hover over it to see the 3 reply options. These are actually 3 different agents you can set from your account. Each one has its own goal, behavior, and tone of voice, but all of them understand you and your business context. You can set one agent to be direct and sales-focused, another to warm up the conversation without selling, and a third one to stay balanced between both. When you use any agent to craft a reply, it reads the conversation, checks your business context, then drafts a reply based on the tone and instructions you set. You'll also get a quick summary of where the conversation left off, visible from the prospect card, their profile, or the extension pop-up. Keep helps you stay top of mind with potential clients by creating relevant comments for their posts, so you can engage more often without starting from scratch. Just like Find and Connect, install the Keep extension from the Chrome Web Store, then pin it to your browser to start using it. As you scroll through your feed, Keep adds a comment button to each post, so you can draft a reply whenever you want to engage. Keep also gives you 3 agents. Each one can have a different behavior and goal, so your comment matches the post and the way you want to engage. The agent reads the post, understands the context, and drafts a non-generic comment based on the instructions you gave it. With B2B Growth Kit, everything is connected. The AI is no longer generic, and work that used to take an hour can now take just a few minutes.